Environmental Health Trust has written to the National Park Service, and this issue of installations in our wilderness is a critical issue. But the question that seems to be top of mind, we've gotten this in several different renditions, is how, given that Lake Tahoe and the Tahoe region has special federal protections, how does the precedent-setting nature of the case apply to other areas of the country? And why is this so important of a case?
There are a lot of other federal lands. The state of Nevada, for example, is made up of 80% federal lands. So if we're free of the FCC preemptions, Tahoe is really a great example of the work that really needs to be done in a much larger sense, really throughout everything that is controlled by the federal government from coast to coast.
And also, if agencies are required to consider the scientific evidence of these environmental and health concerns, and that information is presented to courts, it'll be out there in the public domain and it'll be litigated fully. And as we expect, the information will get out there and courts will accept it, and will be able to show the serious impacts that are now pushed under the rug by the FCC.
I might add also that we've seen a pattern, particularly in the last administration over the last 4 years, in which the federal agencies, not just the FCC, but have been given a sort of carte blanche. The FCC is really the worst offender. And decisions that really are in violation of federal law are being permitted or have been permitted. And what the Administrative Procedures Act requires as most basic is a record of reasoned decision-making and consultation with other agencies, which is entirely absent in this case. And so it's a test case really about a deeper issue of whether we're going to be a country of laws or really a sort of deep state administrative fiat. And it's really important that, as I say, there are a whole series of very clear, powerful federal laws clearly stated that are being violated. And all we're really asking for is that the TRPA follow the law, follow its own rules. This is not a revolutionary proposition. It's rather a simple one.